Tessa,
Giuseppe, Marco,
Giannetta.
After sailing to this island, tossing in a man of fright, we are all once more on dry land. We find the change delightful, as at home we've been remaining. We've not seen you both for ages. Tell me, are you fond of reigning? How's the food and what's the wage? Does your new employment please you? How does royalizing strike you? Is it difficult or easy? Do you think your subjects like you? I am anxious to elicit. Is it plain and easy steering? Take it all together. Is it better fun than gondoliering? We shall both go on requesting till you tell us. Never doubt it, everything is interesting. Tell us all about it.
We will both go on requesting till you tell us. Never doubt it, everything is interesting.